Hello friends, this is Vani from Viva Sew and Style. As I promised, I am back on Tuesday sharing another outfit idea for work. So this is what I actually wore to work, and in a minute I will show the blazer that I put on this dress. And this dress is a Butterick pattern. Butterick, let me get my glasses. Butterick 6948, and I sewed this view. It's a shift dress for stretch knits, and I believe I sewed a straight size 18. The only change I made is I raised the armholes, and when I raised the armholes, I was getting some excess fabric in this area, so I gave myself darts. You see, I just pinched all the excess fabric and marked it with the pins, and I sewed myself these darts. So now the dress fits me perfect. So this was a very minor change I had to make, and I absolutely love how this dress turned out. I'm liking the trench coat, the pants, and the tank top, but those things are for another time. This dress was very quick and easy to sew. I did not do any armbands for the neckline because I'm always afraid that they might gape, and I don't want to take any chances on the neckline. So I just did a fold over method. But for the armholes, I did use the armhole band, and that also gave a very nice result. And the fabric is from Hobby Lobby. It's there. They have it throughout the year, but in different colors. And this was, I think, $6.99 or $7.99 a yard with 40% off. And for a yard and a half, I paid less than $10. And I still have some left over because the dress asks for 1 yard and a third, but I bought 1.5, and so I now have a little bit extra leftover remnant that I can use for color blocking for something else. So I'm very happy and satisfied with this pattern, and it's a good one. You could call it has a slight texture and a weave to it. So I hope you guys can see. So it gives a very nice, very professional look, and I don't have to worry about it being too thin or see-through. Okay, so now let me put on my blazer and shoes and show you the total look. Okay friends, so here I have the blazer, and like I was telling yesterday, these blazers I bought from Costco. They were, I believe, around $15 some years back, pre-COVID, and so now this is how the dress looks, and yeah, I'm quite satisfied with the result. It looks like a business suit almost, and these are my shoes. So these are the pumps that I styled it with. So yeah, I'm very happy, very satisfied with this look. This was my look Tuesday, this September 10th, 2024. So please come back tomorrow as I will reveal my outfit for Wednesday for September 11. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you would consider subscribing. Uh, like my video because I'm trying to inspire my sewing besties to sew for work so that you can enjoy your make when you are at work. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.